Hi, so I'm going to show you how to get your kid onto our Google Meets for this week. When they log into their computer using their badge, or they can use their email and password, the screen should pop up after they click on Google Chrome, and it should look exactly like this, OSSD Learning Hub. And what the kids are going to do is they're going to click on RES Wizards, because that is our school, and then they will scroll down to where it says grade 1, grade 2. And here's mine, little animal, the panda. They can click on the panda. And students have two ways of getting onto the Google Meets. They can automatically click on Google Meet here, and it will bring them to their next meet. What that will look like is dependent on the day. So for instance, we don't have any meets up today, so there is no schedule. Tomorrow there will be a schedule. They just need to click on the next meet and it should automatically load them onto the Google Meet for our time together. The other way that they can join is clicking on to here, and they go to the day of the week. This is our Bitmoji classroom, so our assignments are also on here. So if you lose your packet of the weekly schedule, you can just come to this little Bitmoji classroom, this first box that you encounter, and it will bring you to this page, and you can click on the day of the week, and it will bring you to our schedule. And this little Google Meet icon will be loaded with the Google Meet link, so all they have to do is click on that and it will automatically bring them to the meeting. So that's how they can log on to our Google Meets when we are together this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, or you can email the tech department. I've sent you their email with the schedule, so please check that out. Thanks.